Me and my friend here. My friend's gonna walk in that door right there. We're gonna shoot him with the airsoft guns that you saw in the first video. The Stinger P36 for the pistol, and then for his gun, that one's a Stinger R39. I'm gonna be hiding under the bed. He's gonna be hiding behind the TV. So, yeah, you're gonna see my friends get shot at.
Profanity might be heard.
Yeah, profanity might be heard, so...
Your discretion is advised.
Yeah, your discretion is advised. Hopefully he's gonna be here soon. Oh, look it, he's coming down the road right now. It'll be like 2 minutes, alright? So,
Hold up.
watch him find out.
Right as you open the door, you're gonna hear a gunshot. That's mine. Hey!
Well, that was done. My friend just got done. So, yeah, bye.